Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and use in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactics and how you can manage the club. Let's get started. As you can see, I just win 1-0 in UEFA Champions League against Barcelona. And I'm using Manchester United as my club, so I want to show you the in-game editor. Let's go by tap the Manchester United club logo and go to the first team. You can see the yellow button in the corner, in the bottom corner. You can tap it. This is the in-game editor. My in-game editor is active, so you can edit like team name, reputation, and transfer budget, the facilities, and also team action. You can boost morale, heal team, injure team, and lower morale also. And let's get back. You can choose one of your player, for example Bruno Fernandes. Also you can edit in the bottom corner. Can edit his positions, his attribute, and his personal information. So this is the in-game editor. You can activate this in-game editor by starting a new game. You can exit the game. Let's start a new game. Start a career. Please choose the league. Next, choose your team that you want to manage. For example, this is Manchester City. Next, and this one, in-game editor, please check this. So this in-game editor will allow you edit an active game world database while playing. So after that you can next and next again, so this in-game editor will be enabled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.